Good morning dear students, welcome back to Science Online class. I hope you all are absolutely fine. Dear students, as once again we come back to our corona situation, but we have to be fight against them. Dear students, in this situation we have to be increase our knowledge. Is it? So you all are my good students and I hope you know that what is the importance of the education. We have to not leave the importance of the education, we have to continue with that. Is it? So that's why again we come back with the online class. So dear students, in today's class again we are going to start the new chapter. Let's see which is our new chapter and what is today's learning objectives. So today's learning objective is the solar system, the sun, planets, stars and the satellites. So here dear students, the two concepts today I will teach and next rest of the concept I will teach for the next class. Okay. So dear students, in this session we are going to discuss about the solar system. First we have to know what do you mean by the solar system. So dear students, in this image what you can observe? You can observe so many stars, moon, and this is the night time. In the night time what you can observe? In night time you can observe stars, moon. Is it? Only one moon is there, so we call as a only moon, but stars are so many are there. Is it? So that's why it is the stars. So dear students, when you are going to observe the stars, so whether all the shape or all the size of the stars are equal? No, these are the different size and different shape. Why do we think like that? This is the small, this is the big. Why it is possible? Because here some of the stars are near to the earth and some of the stars are away from the earth. Is it? So this is the thing. So in which time you can observe the stars? Only in the night time. So dear students, stars appears too small because they are very far from us. Is it? So why they are appearing small stars? Because from the earth they are very far from the earth. So that's why stars appears too small, because they are very far from us. Okay. So let's discuss what do you mean by stars. Okay. So as you know that stars you can observe in the night time, but any one of the stars is there whether we can observe in the daytime? Yes, this is none other than sun. Sun is also one of the star itself, but we can see in the daytime. Is it? Where we can observe the sun is also a star, but that can be seen at the daytime. So dear students, what you have to be keep in your mind, don't think that sun is a planet, sun is the star. What is sun? Sun is the star, and this is one of the star which we can see in the daytime. Is it? So this is the sun. And what do you mean by the solar system? Dear students, when we are going to talk about the solar system, this is not the system, this is the family. Which type of family? This is the family of planets. How in our home father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, so many members are there. Similarly, in the solar system, how many members are there? Totally 8 members. Okay. So what do you mean by the solar system? This is nothing but the sun. Okay. Sun is also the star. So the sun and its family. Family means the planets. In the family, what are the family members are present? The planets. Planets are the family member of the solar system. Okay. So what do you mean by solar system? The sun and its family forms a solar system. Yes dear students, if the question is asked, what do you mean by the solar system? Solar system is nothing but the sun and its family forms a solar system. Is it? So what are the family members are present in there? Okay, let's discuss. So the family of the sun consists of the 8 planets. How many planets are there? Totally 8 planets. And the satellites. Satellite means what is the natural satellite of Earth? This is nothing but the moon. What is the natural satellite of this Earth? That is the satellite. Satellite is always around the main planet. Okay, always around the circular path of the main planet. Okay, so the family of the sun consists of the 8 planets and the satellites of these planets and the piece of rock and the dust. So you can observe here, this is the sun. Okay, this is the sun and rest of all the planets are there. Here third number is the Earth, here is the Mars. Next the name of the planets we are going to discuss afterwards. First you have to be keep in your mind that what is the family members. Here dust, piece of the rocks are revolving here. Okay, so the family of the sun consists of the how many planets? 8 planets. So what are those 8 planets? Later on we will discuss. First you have to be keep in your mind how many members are there? 8 planets. Satellites of this planet, satellite means the small planets are revolving around the main planet, like a moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Okay, so and with that the piece of rocks and the dust is the family of the sun, family of the solar system. Now let's discuss what do you mean by the sun. So dear students, as we have discussed, sun is not a planet, sun is the big star. What is the main identity of the sun? That is, it is a big star and it is the nearest star to the Earth. Okay, so the distance between the sun and the Earth is little bit near. Okay, so that's why it is possible to see the sun to instant to the Earth itself. Okay, so it is nearest star to the Earth. So the sun is the big star and it is the nearest star to the Earth. And dear students, when you know when you want to know about that whether the living beings are present on the stars, whether it is a possible to live there. No dear students, it is not a possible, because sun is the huge ball of a hot gases. Okay, so the gases which are the present in the Earth, similarly some gases are also present on the sun itself, but these gases are very hot. Okay, and this is the like a ball structure, and huge ball means big ball. Okay, so the sun is nothing but the huge ball of the hot gases, is it? And with that, sun is only body in the solar system with its own heat and light. Okay, so dear students, whether the sun is have their own light? Yes, the answer is true. Usually the sunlight we are getting, we are the human beings, where we are present on the Earth, and from which source we are getting the light? We are getting the light from the sun, but sun is not taking any kind of the light from the other planets or from the other stars. So sun is have their own heat and the light. Okay, so sun is the only body in the solar system with its own heat and the light. Okay, so dear students, these are the some important information about the sun. With that, you have to be more careful about the concepts, because it is very interesting. Just you take all the concepts which is present in your textbook, so go through that and read the lesson. Reading the lesson is very important. With that, to understand the concept, once again just check the video, and homework will be sent in the group itself, so try to attempt the question. Okay dear students, let's meet in the next class. Have a good day. Bye bye.